We have already executed a simple program which displayed hello world. Now let us understand what is a main method in Java. So in order to understand main method, we have to understand what is a class. As you can see here, class is a blueprint or a template. And in Java, a class is created with the help of keyword class. A class is a big topic which we'll cover in more details when we will look at object-oriented programming in Java. But for now, we will just briefly understand class so that we can proceed further with our fundamental programming of Java. This is my Eclipse here, wherein I have a project called Java Fundamentals. In this, I'll go to source folder and right click. I will go to new and then I will go to class. I'll click on the class and I'm prompted to enter the name of the class. I will call it my second program and I'll click on finish. Now, as you can see that there are few keywords, the first one being public, then there is a class and then there is a name of a class. So basically public is an access modifier. There are multiple access modifiers in Java. We are going to cover all the access modifiers in subsequent discussions in this particular course. But for the time being, remember that public is an access modifier. Then we have a keyword class. The keyword class is basically used to create a class in Java or construct a class in Java. So when we say class and name of the class, basically what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a class with the name my second program. Basically, this is a public class with the name my second program. Now a class starts with a curly braces and ends with a curly braces. Now that we have a brief understanding of what is a class, let us understand what is a main method. Now in Java, or for that matter in any programming language, method is a collection of statements. It can be one statement or more than one statement. Now in case of Java, main is a special method that is the starting point of execution. So let us understand these 2 points or these 2 concepts with the help of an example. I'm back to my Eclipse here and I'm going to create a main method. Let me start typing public static void main open circle bracket close circle bracket. Now inside the circle bracket I have to pass a string array arguments. So I will say string args and then the square bracket. Then at the end of this circle bracket I will open a curly brace and then I will close it with a curly brace here, as you can see. So basically what I have done is I have created a main method. Now let's understand this main method in more details. This particular main method has an access modifier which is a public. It is a keyword. Then it has a static keyword. We will cover static in more details later on. Then there is a return type of this method which is void. We will cover void in more details when we cover return types of a method. And then this method, which is main method, is the actual name of the method. Each method has an open circle bracket and closing circle bracket. And in case of main method, it also has an array of string which is passed as an argument. We are going to look at what is an array, what is an argument in more details. Now, as you can see, a method, which in this case is a main method, starts with a curly braces and ends with a curly braces. As you can see here, I stated earlier that method is a collection of statements, which can be one or more statements. So let me type a statement here, which will be used to display a value. So I'll say system.out.println. It will be ended with a semicolon here. Inside the double quotes, I will type welcome to Java. This is a statement in Java which ends with a semicolon. Let us run this program. I'll click on this icon here to run the program and it will display welcome to Java. Let me add one more statement in this main method. I'll copy this and paste it here and I'll say, how are you doing today? And then again, I'll run the program. So you can see that we get the output, welcome to Java and how are you doing today? So basically, what we have done in this program is that we have created a class and the name of the class is my second program. Inside that, you have created a main method and main method has two statements. The first statement at line number 5 displays welcome to Java and the statement at line number 6 displays how are you doing today. So coming back to the slide to consolidate the concept, we have seen that method is a collection of statements. We have created two statements in our main method. Now, as you can see from the second bullet point here, main is a special method that is the starting point of program execution. So when you run this program, the main method, which is this method here, serves as the starting point of execution. So when the program is executed, starting from line number 4, in this case, where the main is, any statement inside the main method will be executed. This is the point of execution and anything inside this main method, which starts from this curly braces and ends at this curly braces, is executed. And therefore, we say that main is the starting point of execution of a program. In this particular case, we are trying to display two values in line number 5 and 6 that will be executed and displayed in the console as we had seen earlier.